Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing the BoxyCharm for May. This is the unboxing. Sorry, I did open up and peek just a little bit because I couldn't help myself, but let's get into it. First things first, this month's theme is the Boxy Bash, and they kind of seem to go back to their old card, which is fine, but I did kind of like that little fold-out thing, but this is what it looks like. So first things first, I'm actually just going to grab this. This is the BoxyCharm and Beauty Creations little collab. It is a matte lip gloss, and this retails for $10. So that's not a bad deal. I love the color I got. What's in it? Sweetheart. So that's the name of it. No ingredients, no peanuts in the ingredients or nothing like that for my nut allergy friends. Oh, I like it. Longwear matte lip gloss. A little confused by the name, but I mean the packaging seems okay. You get a lot of product. Oh, it smells like fruity gum. This is really pretty. I already have a lip color on right now, but this does intrigue me because it's a matte lip gloss, but I really like this. Oh, and by the way, we got extra products this month because this was like BoxyCharm's birthday month. Next up, I'm super excited for this. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and this retails for $38. I actually had my eye on this before, so I'm actually really pumped. I love blurring and like pore filling primers, so those are like some of my favorites. And it does have a little, I like how it has the little seal. I'm going to wait to open this though, because you guys know I am project panning. I'd like to use up my Benefit Professional before I open this guy, but I'm super excited because I've been eyeing him. And $38, that's expensive. Next we have this Pretty Vulgar, the ink liner, and this is originally $24. I really like, oh, let me open it, the packaging. I actually kind of think it's cool. It's kind of hard to see in there. Oh, it doesn't really have a smell, but it's hard to see in there, but it is black. Yeah, Blacklist is the name, but I really like how it looks like an old school, like kind of like, I can't get it to line back up now, like little, what's that called, like the quill pen ink, I think. You guys know what I'm talking about, but either way, I really kind of like the packaging. It's a little bulky, yes, but it's kind of cute, and I'm actually on my second liquid liner right now, and I go pretty quickly through that, so hopefully soon I will start using this. Hopefully it's good. Next we have this Aesthetica P12 face brush. This originally retails for $27. I've seen Aesthetica on like Amazon and stuff, so $27 is expensive for a brush. I really like the shape of this. I feel like because of how it's like tapered and stuff, like I could use this in a lot of different ways. Maybe like to set powder, a blush, all over face brush. Either way, it's definitely gorgeous. It has a little weight to it, but it doesn't feel as I don't know, luxurious as like high-end brushes, at least for the $27 price tag. We'll have to see how it works. It does feel super soft, but the weight, I know a lot of people go by that and will ask, like it doesn't feel like it's a $27 brush. It does feel like a nice brush, but $27 brush. Alright, next we have another Aesthetica product. This is a 3-piece eye trio, and these retails for $45. So that is very expensive. To get it out of the little plastic here. So you got like two different types of eyeliner brushes, and then you have a spoolie. And actually I love getting spoolies, so pumped about that. I prefer this kind of eyeliner brush with the gel liner. I find it easier. I can just get a really nice line there. These ones are okay. I'm just not, ooh, I can't even get this off, a huge fan of these type eyeliner brushes. I'll have to see though. It just seems like it might be a little thick. Might be worth it just to get a little bit of a pointed wing, but we'll have to see. We have to try it, but $45, that's pretty expensive. Last but not least is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette, and this retails for $30. Oops. I still got stuff on it. I thought I got all the stickers off earlier. I did not. Alright, well that took me like a good 3 minutes to open, but oh, well this is really dark. Here's what the palette looks like. I think I can use this shade here, Originator, but I actually think I'm not going to touch this, and I might save this as a present. It has a really cute message in the mirror. It's like you are the sculptor of your own destiny, which I think is beautiful. but I know these would be way too dark for me, but I do think it's nice that they involve them in there and put them in there for the box, because a lot of times I think a lot of the things are very geared towards like lighter skin tones, so I think this is nice because I actually think I would say, my personal opinion, that I would say that maybe somebody of a darker skin tone would be able to use these, so that is nice. And I think it's nice to also include products like that because it's always tends to be geared towards light to fair skin, so I actually think that that's nice. I'm going to keep mine closed though and not swatch it because I'm probably going to give that away to somebody. But yeah, that was this month's box. I'm actually really excited about it. I think the brushes seem really nice. I love getting brushes because it's just one of my all-time favorite makeup items to ever get is brushes. So you do get all of these brushes here. I'm excited to try this matte lip gloss and to see what that's all about. Super pumped about this Cover FX blurring primer. And then when I run out of my eyeliner now, I will definitely use this guy up. Hopefully he works good. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. And of course, the sculpting palette from Pure. But this was a great month's box. I love how we're starting to get a lot of name brand stuff. I'm also pumped to get more of the Pretty Vulgar line because, I don't know, I hear mixed reviews on it. But I really love both the blush I got before and also that metallic, like, what was it called, like a liquid lipstick, and it was metallic. I really love that, so I really hope that this works out as well too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys, bye.